Alright, so I'm going to be drinking tequila, Ghost Tequila, and I have 2 shot glasses. So we're going to do this 2 at a time. I'm going to need a chaser. Here. Alright, I'm just going to put some music. I cannot drink if there's no music. I always like debate like SoundCloud or iTunes. SoundCloud or iTunes. What do you guys do? SoundCloud or iTunes? I'm gonna do SoundCloud. Alright, here we go. Guys, I'm really lightweight. Not gonna lie, and I did not have dinner. Why did I sign up for this? Oh, good. Two at a time. This is the last one, you guys. Big flare trip go. $1 I'm a fool with the hits. I'm gonna start off with watermelon pink juice. You guys, I'm not just saying this because I'm drunk, but I actually love this. It makes my skin glow. Like, you have no idea what glowing is until you use this pink juice. And I'm not even trying to promo right now. I'm being honest with you guys. This is from the bottom of my heart. The Glow Recipe pink juice. I think it's like sold out at Sephora last time I checked too. But look. I got myself an extra one. For foundation, we'll do this one. You guys already know because I use it every time. Oh yeah. Literally? What? I feel like this is the best coverage foundation in the world. Literally, like I could cover my lips if I wanted to. You guys, I think I got the wrong color. It's okay. Well, that's a bronzer. It'll be okay. Blend it into the hairline. What? Does it match my neck? I think we're actually good. Maybe I'm just this light and I'm a little shook right now that I'm not even like picking up any color. This matches my neck. This is my color. Okay. Well, that's that. Let's do some brows. We'll use this thingy. Oh, just kidding. This is contour. We can go into contour. I really fucked up. I'm gonna have to blend the shit out of that. I'm gonna need another shot. Not even hot. What am I doing? I'm weird. I've been looking like a clown out here. Or this. Oh shit, I almost spilled it. Cheers. Good enough. Oh, it's super buildable, you guys. Oh, what's wrong? You're sad? You want some tequila too? Don't cry. It's okay. You want some tequila too? Just kidding. Cheers. If you're not 21 or over, do not try this at home. What do you think? I'm gonna use the Kristen Lane by Urban Decay. Girl! Ooh! You are so cute. She would. So we're gonna use the shade Subscribe. Make sure you guys subscribe, please. I know that if I don't tell you right now, you're not gonna do it until later. So just subscribe right now. Make sure you leave me a like. Make sure you leave me a comment. Thank you. I love you. I still got it. I still got it. I'm gonna zoom in so you can see the technique I'm using. I want to say that this palette is actually pretty bomb. The colors blend nice. I'm not just saying this because I'm drunk. They actually blend really well. A little trick I like to do is use my finger every now and then. Just like that, yeah. Now, you never will catch me doing some crazy shit on here, to be honest. Very rarely, unless it's like Coachella or some shit. So, I like my shit real blended out, real natural. And this color, oh my god, I'm liking this color. I might just put it all over my lid. Damn, girl. I'm going with one of the darker colors. It's called 8. Kristen Lane, why did you call this 8? I'm gonna have to go look at your YouTube channel and see why you calling this color 8. It literally does not look like 8. It looks like fucking shit color. Brown like shit. You're crying again? What's wrong? Right now we're gonna add the caca color back. Kristen Lane likes to call it 8. Alright, now I'm kind of bored of this because there's no glitter. So I'm gonna go look for some glitter right now. I'll be right back. Yes, girl. Kristen Lane killed it right here. I like that gold color right there. Girl, you see that color? You know, now that I'm drinking this ghost tequila, I'm realizing being a beauty guru is hard. I want you guys to try and do this. I really wish you guys could try and do this. It's time for my favorite part, you guys, the highlight. Okay. I'm gonna put this everywhere. Like, everywhere. Persona highlight is the best highlight I've used in a while. Like, honestly, I don't care what anybody says. This shit will leave you glowing. Look at that. I literally feel like a little strobe light right now. So I'll put some on my nose. Boom, 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 boom. Yes, 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 yes. Work, 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 work. I'm gonna take a shot just for this Persona highlight. My Gerard Cosmetics. I got these little babies in the mail. So I'm gonna open it. Boom. And I'm gonna just pick this one because it looks interesting. Girl, this is a glitter lipstick. I'm gonna just make sure I get all the glitter up in there. You know, this is a glitter lipstick by Gerard Cosmetics. Make sure you use my code. It's Solange. I'm gonna link it in the bio below. It will give you 30% off the whole site, so you can get this lipstick or whatever you want. I'm gonna show you what I would get if I were you. I would get the Spraycation. Just kidding. I would get the Setting Spray Collection. only thing missing now is my eyeliner and my lashes, so we're gonna do that right now. Oh, and my blush. I'm gonna use my Bare Minerals in Pink Me Up. Just grab some. I'm gonna be very honest with you. I think this is the part where everything's gonna go wrong because eyeliner and alcohol, they just don't go. If I fucking nail this, you guys, I'm gonna need you to like and subscribe for sure right now. Alright, you guys. And then last but not least, we're gonna put some lashes. Alright, I'm having trouble. I cannot stick my eyelash. It doesn't stay. It stayed. I'll call you right back. There you go, bitch. Alright, you guys, so this is the finished look. I have no idea if this is good or bad at this point, to be honest with you. We've gotten through this much of the bottle, so obviously I'm either lightweight or this tequila is that bomb. Definitely if you're trying to have a party, Ghost Tequila is where it's at. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and just if you actually watched the rest of this video and you sat through this until the finished look, I think we're family now. So thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.